Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to disable the registration process in Magento 2. So this is very important when we have the B2B website. So we don't want to register any kind of customers. So we will going to only provide with the email and the password. So in that case we need to hide this customers, create account, or we have to disable the registration process. So how we are going to do that? Okay. So let's check out. I have already done this. So first of all, review what we have done. So I have make a configuration settings in the disable front end customer registration, make it enable. Yes, save this configuration, go to the cache, flush the cache, and if we go and check, create account button is hide, and on the login page this whole process is disable. See, so nobody can register with this portal, right? So how we are going to do it? It's very simple. We have just override with the help of plugin. So let's go to my plugin. So I have created my disable registration, etc. We have di.xml where I have with the name of disable registration plugin over here. And in registration plugin, what we have do, we have a method that is called after is allowed, right? Return if the scope of the configuration file disable customer registration scope is false. Currently we have made it yes. So this means registration process is, we don't want to enable it. So I have make this return statement. After this it will disable all the registration process that we have in the Magento 2. So it's very simple. You can disable the registration process in Magento 2 with these steps. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.